let's just go ahead and get into this. Hello there, guys. My name is Chumpy, and well, today I'm doing a little something different. I'm not too satisfied with my last intro, so I want to try and make another one. But you know what? I was like, yeah, screw it. I'll go ahead and I'll record it for you guys. And by the way, the editor that I use is called Filmora. So usually intros just come from whatever you can find. I did the filters, and I like those filters. So this is more of me kind of showing you too, like good intro into it and being like, okay, this is how you do this. So as you can see on here, we have widescreen, and we have all these different ones as we hit on this aspect ratio. 16 by 9, 1 by 1, 9 by 16, 4 by 3, 3 by 4, 21 by 9, and 45, or 4 out of 5 vertical. And the only two that I usually use are the portrait and the widescreen, because I don't use Instagram like at all. So, but that's a good amount to choose from. And you can see all of this other stuff, and it's just like, oh no, what should I do? Hit new project, and then you'll figure it out. But as you can see, we also have like instant mode, we have screen recorder, instant cutter, AI copying, or copywriting, auto reframe, silence detection, and then auto beat sync. The silence detection is actually a pretty good one to use, and I've used it in some. It works really well. I like it. Like for some reason, it just gets a little bit more choppy. So you have to go in there and like edit out some more, because it's just like, it just skips, and it's just not really that fluent. And so you might have to, well, what we call it now is humanize it. Anyways, so as you can see right here, we have nothing, and I'm actually going to turn off everything so you can see the whole picture. And I know you can't see my mouse, that's okay, but you can see me highlight, and I will edit so then it can actually see where I'm moving. But as you can see, we have all these beautiful things up here on the left hand side, and of course media, stock media. They actually give you stock media to use. We're not going to go with any of that. We are just going to have a blank canvas. So let's find some cool effects. Oh great, it's taking forever. Okay. And as you can see, as I put my mouse over top of it, it actually shows you what that effect does. Glitching and stuff. Chaos! Chaos! First, I don't know what I'm going for just yet. That's kind of cool. I actually really like that. That's a fun one to use. Okay, we have it downloaded. Now let's add it. We can just grab it, just put it right there, and then we can actually see it too. You see it on this little one. Hit space. Oh, that's an actual cool one right there. But you know, it's better if we actually show it up on the whole screen, which that actually looks pretty cool. We might have to fiddle with that, and well, some other stuff. So best things about everything is these transitions. And I have my favorite ones all saved, or like, let's just see. There are the ones that I use the most. If you ever see any like cuts like that's all from here. And morphing too. But the best part about that too is like, we'll come down here to manage tracks, and then we'll add a video track. And so now we have two. So if I bring this up here, that's on the top. That's on the top layer. This is bottom layer. This is bottom layer. Top layer, bottom layer. Top layer, bottom layer. Of course, the more layers you go up, you know, like you can probably guess. You can add on if you have such a mindset. We can also like bring this out as much as we want, but we're gonna keep it at a nice I wouldn't say 5 seconds. We're doing this as an intro, so it's gonna be like really short. I don't want intros to be very long. Let's see if like, I think that's pretty good enough to get stuff going. So we have our transitions over here entitled, and this gives you your own little presets that you can use, which is cool. Also, I didn't pay for the pack for this. I didn't need all of them, so I'm just going free. Any free ones, and also like the free ones are actually really good. And the best part about these is you could put transitions and effects on top of those to make it just, it's hard to explain. It's more of a let me show you and try and see it, because my words get jumbled up. I don't know how to explain, so I'm just like, okay, this is how this goes. Okay, great. Okay, let's see how we do this. Okay, and so we are just going to go ahead and try and find a nice little title or thing. Road trip pack. Oh, that's kind of bland, isn't it? Well, you know what? Screw it. We'll go ahead and go through with this art text, because as you can see, it's pretty Oh, crap. I just that. Okay. The best part about these two is these titles. They also go along with all this stuff. So you can go over here to the right with titles highlighted in animation, and it will show you all the different types of animations. There's so many. What the heck? That zoom in. If we can get that down to like, let's see. Okay. Basic. And we are going to do, wait, no, that's not my, oh, and also at the end here, we're going to pretty spot on. I don't like how it is not that bright. Is not good. Maybe a one for letter spacing. For more text options and stuff, you can come down here and same thing, titles basic, and come on down. Well, you can go through all these preset word arts. I actually haven't looked at those. That's some interesting ones here. You know, does that actually go with like the whole style here? Yeah, it kind of does. But one of the things I actually wanted to see was like for this text option, I go into the negatives. Oh, -3? Wait, letter space. This is negative. Let's do -10. Oh, we're getting really close together now. I want it to be inverted into each other. Let's try and do 15. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting somewhere. Oh, God, that is trippy. Now, if only we can actually like, oh, Jesus. But like, that's good enough. -5's fine. We also have like transform, so we can rotate this and stuff and like do more like precise stuff. Not like, you know, you're not gonna, I don't know, you can figure it out. Don't worry, just fiddle around with these options, especially when editing, because that's when you're going to find out how to do it. That's how I did it. Hell, I was making videos back 8th grade, and I was using Windows Movie Maker. I knew that like the back of my hand, and that's what I wanted to download, but found out that like here in 2023 that like no longer in service. So I heard people saying Filmora was pretty much like it. I'm like, screw it, let's see it, and immediately picked it up. So it's just worth trying than just sitting on your ass and doing nothing about it. Just saying. Okay, anyways, we got my name here. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Oh. You know what? We might actually make it just a little bit longer, just because. Oh, that's the nice thing. It's the snapping and stuff, so you can do most of this with your mouse. I actually don't mind that at all. Wait, background. Ugh. Let's try gradient fill. Oh, okay. I like, like I said, just throw around with the gradient. Oh, see, I just learned something new. I didn't know that shit. That's actually kind of cool. I don't know when I'm going to use it though, but nice to know. Okay, anyways, we're not, no. Oh, okay, there we go. Ants. Oh yeah, that's also a big thing on Filmora. If you hit the little question mark, as you saw there, it can actually take you to videos on the OBS site, which shows you how to use it. Now, I don't know about you. There are people out there that like to do tutorials like here. Like, they want to know how to do tutorials and stuff. And yeah, see, like this shows you everything. Title effects, duration, speed, everything. Look at that. There's so much you can do with just Filmora. By the way, this isn't sponsored, but hey, if they want to sponsor me, I'm here. I know your stuff very well, so hit me up. Oh, like, I'd like to be sponsored. Doubt it. But anyway, back to this. And okay, so we're gonna, yeah, we're taking that. I like that a lot. I actually really add in. I can add an image in here. Wait, I wonder if I wanted to actually like, not doing it. Some of these are so funny to watch, like that. That one. Oh my gosh. I actually wasn't expecting that, but alrighty then. But no, we're taking that. We're doing that. Not doing any more advanced shit. So now that we have this part, we have everything that we need, okay? Just simple. But we're gonna get complicated. So as soon as that stops, we're gonna wind it back, and you can use your little keys there, and I'm gonna use my mouse as a reference to where it is and when it starts moving. Oh, there it goes. And so what we can do from here is we can actually just space that out, take a photo of this as a PNG file, and then we can cut this. Nope, not that. Gosh dang it. What's nice is that back arrow's right there. It's so nice. Cut that, and we're gonna actually just that off to the side. We put that picture there. Snapshot. It should stop. Hold on. Let's go ahead and show track. So my name, and then all of a sudden, as soon as it stops, you can do something like that. I don't know if anybody wants to, though. I doubt I'm going to be. Maybe slow this video effect. Dance background. Oh, because this is an overlay. That's right. I forgot. Can't slow this down because it's an overlay. And, well, I'm just stupid. We're all human. Okay. We have this already. And, like, let's just go off and just say it's an easy one. It's nothing, like, amazing. Okay, yeah, that's right. I forgot. Like, those are my favorites, but yet I have these downloaded. So, fade, we're going to be putting right there. And same thing. Boom, right there. Just fade it in a good amount. Best part is we're going to go ahead and take all this, select it all. We're going to move that up to a spot now that it's going to be black. Absolutely black, and then it's going to transition. And what's nice, I said, okay, fine. We're going to have to work around this real quick. So I just took a snapshot of just darkness, of just straight darkness. It's going to be just, there we go. And paste, delete that empty spot right there, because it actually, they add in empty spots. Those are just a little bit easier. Ooh, let's see if that works. Nope, not move that. Make it a little bit. Okay, now this is, I think I figured it out. Wrong. Okay, so I think we have an idea. Sometimes you have to screw around with some stuff. You're just like, oh, I don't know how to do this. Yeah, that's fine to be. Forgot. Oopsies. Didn't mean to do that. Don't mind me. God damn it. Stop clipping that. Okay, so pretty much that's all I'm going to do with that. I actually think that's not bad, in opinion, stating that I paid for all this already. Yay. Good job, me. But next thing is audio, which I have to say is probably either the easiest or the hardest part of this whole thing, because it's just trying to find that sound. And so we are going to go online and go to this thing that I have, and it does free music. We are going to be going to Upbeat. Okay, back to the cam on this one. But as you can see below, this is Upbeat. And so Upbeat is a website where people put music that is not copyrightable for your video. And so I've heard after using this in general for my music and sound effects and stuff, I found out that a lot of YouTubers that I watch actually use Upbeat too, or at least the editors do. I do, because I'm editing and making films. Same thing. I don't care. Like, wait, do you think I care? No. Okay. But we can see, oh, we have a lot. So AI playlist generator. I can't get away from AI. It's everywhere now. Why? Jesus. AI innovated. What the hell is going on here? Okay, anyways, we are going to be going, what should I fuck? Look at this. Oh, crap. What is that called? I actually might have to look this up. Give me a sec. I forgot I was still on camera. Hi. Ha. So, Vaporwave music. It just finally hit me. Vaporwave. And we're actually going to be turning on our sound, and also, yeah, fine, that's fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, I found what I want to use, which is crazy. That first one, yeah, I like that a lot. We can go ahead and go down here to download. It'll download it for us. And so once that's done, I will go ahead and add that in. So I think this is going to come out pretty good. Just have a vibe. I'm not trying to be like any of those high-end creators where they're just like, oh, I'm so energetic and stuff, because I'm not. I mean, I can be, but I'm kind of a chill person. I'm just kind of a calm guy. I do get rowdy here and there. Okay, going back into this. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the cam again. I'm sorry. Boop, boop. Okay, so we are going to go into media. And same thing with all this stuff. We go all the way into, I go downloads, this, open, and then I'm able to lop that down. Okay, I'm gonna figure this out a bit, so bear with me. I'll go ahead and share you the results. Okay, we're gonna start it right there. Clip that, and then bring this all the way. I'm gonna do a half and half. I wonder what that whole thing. I'm gonna cut it like right there, and then the rest of that just backspace, and it deletes the rest of it. Beautiful stuff. And now we can grab this little ball right here, and then we can just go ahead and start tapering it off, and it stops us right there. Perfect. Where it should be starting to taper off. We're going to do the same thing, that, and then we are going to add in a effects, wait, not effects, sorry, transitions. We are going to do a fade, and we are going to put that right here, not too much, and then add in there. Little bit, give it a little bit of. Let's see. We're just playing around with it right now to just see how it is. Right on the beat. There. Let's see. Okay, and then we're going another one here, and then stop it right there. I think it's good. I think it's good enough. I don't want to spend so much time on it. I want to have enough. Well, I hope you've learned a good amount. And, well, I don't know. I was just doing this for fun. I wanted to see what I could do. I'm like, I'm stretching my wings. I hope you guys enjoyed. And without further ado, here is my intro. Been Chumpy. See you guys.